Hi everyone, as you can see we are going to be doing a little bit of stitching today. My day started not too bad, but I've had a phone call and now it's sort of got me down and I don't want to feel like that. So I thought let's do something that will chill me out and just totally relax me again, because I was feeling quite relaxed before my phone call. I'm relaxing with a massive big cup of coffee, as you can tell. So what I've decided, I've had this on my mind for quite a while now, but I thought today is a really good day to start it. And I'm going to make a meditation book. And all I'm going to do in this book, well, it won't be a book yet, it'll be a book when I've finished, is I'm just going to use my scraps up, nothing new there. And I'm just going to grab them and stitch them onto a little piece of 3x3. So it's 3 inches by 3 inches, this bit of fabric. And I've cut a few. And I don't want to think too much. I just thought I would grab pieces, stitch them down. And then when I've finished, I can put them into a little book. And I'm going to, we're going to have a new thing. If you want to join me, carry on. I am going to use this. I'm going to try and do some every day. Not always on camera, because sometimes you just want to be quiet and stitch. But if you want to join in, then go grab your scraps and stitch along with me. And I think I'm only going to use running stitch. So if you're a beginner to stitching, then this would be a great way to start. Just any fabrics you've got left lying around. I mean, as you can see, this is a total offcut. And we'll see what happens. A bit of mindfulness. And it would just, prep us for the day ahead. Or, in the evening, relax you when you come home from work. Or if you've had a bad day. So, yeah. We're calling it our meditation book. And, a lot of you I know do journaling. And Jovi does a really good video every week on mindfulness journaling. I could write my stuff down, but I wouldn't want anybody to read it. So I like to sort of think it through while I'm stitching, if that makes any sense to anybody. And I hope, if you're in that sort of frame of mind, where you've got something going on and you don't want it in your head. A lot of people say, you journal it, you write it all down, get it all out your system, and then you can paint over it or colour over it or collage over it in a book, which is one way to do it. But I don't know. I've not tried that. Maybe I should try it. But I love my stitching. So I thought, I'm going to combine the two. And I'm going to do meditation stitching. So obviously today's not going to be very meditating because I'm chatting away to you. But that sometimes helps. And I'm just going to grab pieces from my stash here. I've just got out colours. It's all I've gone for, blues and greens. And I'm just going to stitch them down onto this piece of fabric. Nothing complicated. Nothing at all. I don't want to think what I'm doing. Just want to stitch. And spend some time with you guys. So I hope that's okay. I hope you still enjoy it. I may turn the video off and then come back. when I've done a bit more. Or I can just chat, because I could do that for England. Chatting for England, that'd be a good job for me. Wonder if somebody would pay me to do that. My hands are very, very cold as well. It's freezing here in the UK today. It's like about 10 o'clock now, AM. And although it's really bright and we've got blue sky, it's about -2 at the moment. So the house is warmer than that, obviously. But my fingers, as you can see, they're sort of going white on the ends. And I'm going to work in, hence work clothes. I'm going to work in about an hour. So it's not really worth me putting the heating on for an hour to warm the house up for me not even being here. I know Snowbell would love me to leave the heating on for her all day. But, you know, she's got a fur coat. She'll be fine. She'll be fine. Thanks for that. I'll just get some more thread. Change colour. Change your colour. Change your mood. And I don't know if you're going to enjoy these videos. If you don't, let me know, because I can do this on my own. I'll just show you the finished thing when I've finished. I just thought there might be other people out there that would like, you know, just to sit. I mean, I could do this without talking. I could put some music on and we could just all stitch together. What do you think? What do you think? Look at this piece. That is a real scrap. I need a bigger piece first. There we go. How about that piece? Slightly too big. Let's just cut it. This is some of my hand-dyed cotton. Came out really well. I'm going to have to do some more because I haven't got any. I haven't got any more of that. I mean, slow stitching is all about just thinking about the stitches. So really makes sense to actually use it as a meditation tool. So what can I tell you? Oh, I hope you enjoyed my video on Monday with the letters. I know it might have been a bit basic for a lot of you because you're all, you know, experienced crafters. But, you know, I've got a lot of new subscribers who may not know how to make, you know, the basic things that we put in our journals. And I just wanted to do a little series on how I make my ephemera from, like, basically my stash, and I don't go out and spend money buying all the fancy bits and pieces. If I can make it, I will. So if you like to make your own ephemera and you like, what am I talking about? Of course you like to make your own ephemera. You're junk journalers. And we're all on our using up stash and not spending money this year. It's going to be a very tight year, isn't it? Right, I'm going to stop there. I may do extra stitches on this if I feel like it. But at the moment, all I'm doing is just stitching my pieces down. And you can do as much or as little as you like. on these pages. There's no rules. I'm not going to follow any sort of rules. I may have a different colour for every page I do. I may not. I may want to do it all blue. A blue book. I might do a blue book and then I might do a orange book. Who knows? I could make my life easier by using a smaller needle so it went through the fabric better. But do you know what? There are days when you just want to stick it down. I'm going to put some of this on just because I want to. It's a bit like a Just Because book. That's Susan Taylor Brown started off the Just Because books where you just stitched because you wanted to. So this is sort of a take on that. But I'm calling it a meditation book because that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm just sticking any old scraps on here. And I'm hoping it's going to turn out quite nice. But it doesn't matter. If it doesn't, then, you know, I can just keep covering it until it looks like I want it to look. And I know I'm doing massive, great big stitches. I might do little ones. Who knows? Who knows? Just do whatever. It's the actual process. It's not the finished result that I'm looking for. Oops, there's my phone going again. Let's get that one on. And I've still got thread, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, I like this piece, I'm going to put that across there, and I'm just going to do, I might change my stitch actually. Shall I change my stitch? No, I don't. I'm just going to do another running stitch up the middle, like this. So, you know, even if you're a beginner, you can do a running stitch. It's just putting your needle in and out, just like that. Nice and simple. I'm relaxing already, which is pretty good. Okay, so we have a little bit dangling over. Doesn't matter. Don't mind. Right, what else have I got here? So I think the idea is that you grab out some stuff and then you just stick it down. You don't think, oh, I'm going to put that bit on. Oh, I'm going to put that bit on. You just get out a pile and then just put it on. And it doesn't matter what it looks like. You can, did I knot that? I can't remember. I better knot it because I can't remember whether I did or not. And I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to pop this bit on. I'm going to pop it on. I do think somewhere, maybe like that. Or like that. Am I off the edge? A little bit. I may do pieces off, you know, off camera and play a bit, you know, do a bit more detail. And I may add more if I feel like it. But today, I just wanted to come on and sort of test the water, if you like. See if anybody would be interested in watching me do more of these. we can put the world to rights. Please comment below if you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't enjoyed the video, please let me know. I won't make any more. I won't make any more of these stitching ones. But, you know, it's good to try new stuff, I think. You know, try something different. I'm running out of cotton, so I'm going to make really big stitches just to get this down. And then I may come back and do something in the middle of all my flowers yet. But I'm going to leave you for now. Oops, there we go. And that is as simple as you can make it. Doesn't matter which way up it goes either, does it? And we'll make a little book at the end when I've finished all my pages to put them in. So if you want to join in, I've made mine 3x3-ish. They're not exact. I just cut up some random bits of this. Don't know what it is. You know me. Don't know what anything is. But you can make yours tiny. You can make big ones, and we'll just do a bit of mindful stitching. Let me know, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.